I get these things.
White perch, nice size one there. He's a good one holding him up there. It's pretty cool. Nice white perch. Yeah, that's just his tail, but he's a good one.
Hello there.
It's a good one, man.
I'm going
Found
back
I got
to
a
my
nice one. Cool.
Keep the tension on him, nice and easy.
Oh yeah, he's a fine one, man. Bring him in. A little pan size. Bring him in there. Bring him over here. Don't slip on the stuff there. Let me see what you got there. Cool.
Oh.
Cool. Bring him over here.
Let me do one more picture for Mom too. I need broad. There we go.
We're good here. Hey guys, went fishing today. Got bluegills, sunnies, white perch, yellow perch, largemouth bass, smallmouth bass, rock bass. A bit of everything. Wasn't planning on keeping anything, but one, you know, he swallowed it. But it's a nice day. So what I'm going to do here is small, but tastes good. I got the oil going here. I got a Burnside brown ale. Right here, Burnside brown ale. It's let's see, foundationbrew.com, Foundation Brewing Company. It's a nice brown ale. So it's Memorial Day. It's Memorial Day. Remember our fallen. Let me just show you when I got some egg. I'm going to point it down here. Got some egg, cornmeal, Old Bay, and some garlic. What I'm going to do is just, I just scaled these. I'm not messing around here. I don't have time messing around. Just cooking them whole. Throwing them in there. Shouldn't be moving on me. But, yeah. Crisp them up. Nothing fancy here. This is not Backwoods Gourmet. Always has some fantastic stuff. Get this here. Let's drop this puppy right in there. There we go. Oh yeah. Hey, that sizzling over there? Like that? Look at that. Cool. But another one. I'm gonna cook these bad boys up. Nice and plump. We had much bigger ones than these, but and saved them at the time. But I figured I'd just cook them up for the hell of it, you know. And you're good. I'm going in there. little bit of stuff right here. Little pseudo fillet. Oh, I didn't show you before. This is how it cooks, but I wanted to separate it. Man, I'm a mess here. So anyways, inside one of these fish is the fish roe. Always eat those fish eggs. They're really good. Around the world, they're a delicacy. I always ate them. Parents always gave them to me. But yeah, man, cool. I'm just using everything here, man. Okay. But I'm gonna go in and clean up, and we're good, man. So see if I can. Wow. See if I can shut this thing on. So, cooking the stuff up now, man. There you go. Looking good. I got the roe in there. I forgot to take the roe out. Usually I take it out, cook it on the side, munch on it. But still on one of the fish. These are small bluegills. We were getting bigger ones, like about the third size bigger. But yeah. Should be hydrating, and I suppose I am, but not with water because I have something coming up. I'm all packed and ready to go. Full side. I forgot my knees will hold out, so but we'll do good, man. But look at this stuff here, man. What's the name? Bill Gotti, The Goodness. Here you go. Take a look at that, man. As I say, nothing fancy, man, but cool. I may put this down, captured heat, but yeah, I'm all packed, ready to go. My next adventure. For our fallen, that's what Memorial Day is all about. It's not about partying and stuff, and yeah, have a good time with your family. It's been pretty tough for all of us, but appreciate your family, all your friends, and so that's what we're doing here. So putting the Eskimo ferro rod. This will be part of the video, the cook, because I just caught these fish today, and several others, and but yeah, we're going there. Nothing fancy. Gonna be good though. Cool. Nice perch, man. We're doing good, man. We got everything, man. Bass.
Karen, can you grab my pliers?
We have to get those things there, Ben. Ones I use, yes. Little rock bass. Yeah. Caught them on live bait. It's all right. We'll throw them back. Throw them in there. Go in there. Nothing fancy. Gonna be good though.